Hello everyone. Welcome back again to this video and welcome back again to Now Marks TV. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can be testing whether or checking whether the content you have generated with ChatGPT or is humanly generated content, also is on the AI or artificial intelligence generated content. So when it comes to generating content with AI or ChatGPT, also in other artificial intelligence, you can see that there is a difference between how ChatGPT generated the content and other AI generated the content are going to be different from the human generated content. So you can be asking yourself for how you can be knowing this and how you can be checking this to see whether it is human generated content or any other content. Also to see this is what I'm going to be showing you in this video. What I can tell you now, if you need not subscribe to this channel, no must TV, subscribe first. Now, like this video, share this video to our friends, and turn on the bell button so as you always get notified when you upload new video here at Max TV. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now, how you can be checking this? For example, I'm going to be to start now generating a content, given the content from this ChatGPT. For example, I ask ChatGPT to say what are the importance of water, or what are the importance of water, importance of water. So now this the topic that I give you to provide to me. They're going to be generating the content which is about the importance of water, and you can see it is also generating the content. So now if you want to know this, or if you want to see this importance of water, you're going to be seeing whether it is a human generated content or it is also artificial intelligence generated content. As you can see now, it has typed or it has written this. Now, if it produces this content for me, and I want to be checking whether this content is a human generated or also or AI generated content. What I need to do, I need to come here and type AI content detector, content detector. So if I type AI content detector, I'm going to be prompted to various options that I can use to be checking whether my content is AI or not. As you can see here, there is content detector. Here there is AI content detector, ChatGPT 3. Here there is also AI detector, which is detect ChatGPT 4. There is also AI content detector. Now you can see there are various AI detection models or tools that you can be using to detect whether your content is ChatGPT based or any other human generated content generated. So to do this, let's first use this one as the one I'm going to be using to identify whether our content is human generated or AI generated. So now let's copy this text we have now generated here and bring it here. What we do is to paste it here on this option. After now copying and pasting it, you can see it is pasted. Now you can see here we have 0%, or we have the percentage of detection. There is nothing yet which has been detected, and it is going to be detected after we have also checked this text. Now let's click here and you can see it is now detecting. Let's click again. So if it is not working, you must try refreshing your browser so that you can be trying again to see if it is going to be working. It used to be happening to my browser most of the time. And you can see now also you need to make sure that also you have not exceeded 1,500 characters, because this one is limited to that number of characters. And as you can see, if I try detecting this text, I get this one. You can see I get this one. For example, let me try also putting something like text which is meaningless or which seems to be meaningless and try to keep checking again, and you see what is going to be happening. You see now I'm on 7.5. As you can see, it is going to be different depending on how it checks whether the content is human generated or also is an AI generated content. For example, now let me now add something like this and continue in every paragraph. I try to challenge. So if I put something new here, also it is going to be changing the percentage that you can be seeing here. Now let's try. You can see now it detects 100%. As you can see, this it shows that human generated content. You may be asking yourself why it is being detecting 100% of the content as human generated content. That is because I have added some information which seems to be written by human. So human have the way that is they write the content. Maybe or they may be also arranging the sentences in a given way. The way they arrange the words, also even the words they use are going to be different. As you can see, I inserted certain texts or certain meaningless text, but it's going to be challenging also the formula that the ChatGPT have used while writing this information. Now let me try to copy these details to another now AI detector model. So I can be now using close plugs. If I use this close plugs now, you can see I want to be typing it in your browser, then you use B close plus and you can be seeing this one. It has various features that you can be using, whether upload the content, either use Dropbox, either use text. Now if you use text, you can be starting given 100 pages, but if I'm going to be uploading, also you may be prompted to pay some amount or to buy the credit as long as that you can be using to be doing this. Now you can see this plan or pricing that we want to be requiring you to buy for this application. Instead of now, let's do this. I click on this. Now I paste this content. If I paste this content, you will see now I check. If I check, now you'll be seeing the result here. As you can see, now it shows 1%, which means that my content is mainly written by human. Now let me go back and take again the content that I generated here and I copy it. If I copy it now, I bring it back and paste it here. As you are seeing, you have also get something like 35% of the AI generated content before we adjust the text. Now let me check here and you can see what I'm going to be getting. So you can see now I'm getting 100% of the AI generated content. Now you can see this are going to be marking as red. Now what is it different here is that this AI detector are going to be detecting differently, and also as long as you use two detectors or three detectors, you can be able to get something like the proof or the fact that your content is being also is made of AI generated content compared to also the content which is not now human generated content. As you can see, you can be using this tool, you can be using this one, you can use both to make sure that your AI content is also human generated. You can be checking whether someone gave you any content. Maybe you can write a blog post for you. You can be able to check also to make sure that it is human generated content, also it is AI generated content. So thank you for watching this video. This is how you can be checking now whether your content is human generated by using these simple tools. There are also other tools that you may be using, but also for this one you can be using these options. You can even put the URL here. If you have a blog post or a blog post you want to be checking, now you can be getting to see whether your content is human generated content or AI generated content. Thank you for watching this video. Like this video, subscribe to this channel Normax TV, and also share this video to our friends so as you always get notified when I upload new video here at Max TV.